Hey guys, welcome back. This is Cricket coming to you today with another sticker haul. This one again is from DEK Happy Mail. As you can see, I love them. I have two more, and I'm going to be honest with you, I don't know which one I got first because I just love them. So I'm just going to open both of them at the same time and we'll go from there. Okay. First thing, I love how she always gives, first of all, she makes me feel better about myself because it says, hello, gorgeous. But then she always gives you these little ribbon paper clips, and I love these. I think these are the most adorable thing in the world. So I got that one for fall, and it looks like this one's kind of Halloween-y with the candy corn, which is also my favorite. All right, so which one should I open? This one says this date, so let me open up this one first. And I got this adorable freebie. And I love them because it is foil, and the whole thing is foil. And I am madly in love with foil right now. It is my passion, so love, love, love. And then this is the other freebie you got. And I love that it has a little bit of everything on there. Sick day, laundry, cheat day, party, shopping, bubble bath, post office, etc. And it has both the websites down here at the bottom, but I will have them down in the link below. So I got the Winter Wonderland full heart check boxes, and they're glittered. I love them. Love, love, love them. And then I got the half boxes that match. And then I got the full boxes. The headers with some more half boxes and quarter boxes. And then some glitter headers. Love, 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 love. This is the Christmas wishes, I wanted to say. Yes. Is this not beautiful? I am in love with this kit. I am so ready for Christmas. But look at here. This is what I want to show you. Everything is silver. Everything. But then look at this fireplace. Look. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? That is absolutely beautiful. This whole kit screams beauty. First of all, it's pink, so I'm in love. Love this double box. Love this double box. I mean, what's not to love, y'all? And then you have your bow box, or your bow flags down here, and then you have a like little washi strips right here. So those are your full boxes. Your half boxes, appointment labels, habit trackers, more bow flags. Your bow full boxes and more bow flags. Oh, a wish for peace and happiness. That is your bottom washi. Look at that. Is that not gorgeous? Look at the Hello Weekend. And then your flags for the top. Your day covers. Some more washi strips. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Love it. And then here's your headers, which are also done in foil, and your little things. And then I also ordered, sorry guys, this the laundry, and then it's in the foil. Love, love, love. Because who doesn't need a little sparkle when you do laundry? Love it. And then the second one I got, look how beautiful this one is. There's your full boxes with your bow, scallop checks. Then your half boxes, scallop bows, bill due, habit tracker, shopping, Sunday, fun day, postpone, and cancel. Your bow full check boxes with your Hello Weekend. Your bottom washi, which is beautiful. Look at that. Habit trackers, your day covers, your flags, hearts. Your headers with little things. some deco with washi, day off, half box, love. And then this last one this one's Winter Wonderland. And look at that. How cute is that? Full boxes and weekend banner. Your headers, your teardrops, flags, some deco, half boxes, quarter boxes, and heart check flags. Your full heart check boxes and bottom washi, washi. I want to make sure there weren't washi strips. Bottom washies. And then your other washi, your dates, sidebar, and quarter boxes. Look at that. Look at the bottom washi. I'm a snowman girl, so this just hollered my name. All right, so here's your freebie, and I use every single one of them. Here is the second freebie that comes with it again. So I have 2 of those. And then this one's Dear Santa. There's your full boxes with your scallop bows. Aren't those beautiful? Look at that. I love the writing in the background. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. There's your half boxes, quarter boxes, scallop bow boxes, habit trackers, bill due, Christmas tree, Sunday fun day, postponed, canceled, more bow scallops. Your bow full boxes, and I love this, how she has them separated like that. I think that's beautiful. And then your weekend. Your day covers, flags, hearts, habit trackers, appointments, bottom washi. Look at that bottom washi. And then your headers with your meal plan, water trackers, some deco, holiday shopping, presents, merry, mistletoe, jingles, some more washi. And then this one is called, I want to say Christmas at Home. And there's your full boxes with your bow scallops. Your half boxes, quarter boxes, and bow scallops. Habit trackers. Look at these beautiful full boxes. Bow boxes. And the weekend banner. It's gorgeous. Your day covers, your bottom washi. Look at that. Flags, habit tracker, your headers, your meals, your water trackers, and then washi, merry, mistletoe, jingle, holidays, shopping, presents, and deco. Isn't that beautiful? All right, guys, you have got to go check them out. They have awesome deals, always awesome, and their product and their stickers are of the best quality. I love using their kits. So go check them out. I will have their link in the description down below, and I hope to see you back here soon. I will talk with you later. Give me a thumbs up. Bye-bye.